I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, pero that will violate po ito sa secrecy of deposit. So, we cannot submit
Ito
po
na
the list of accounts.
Dito tayo magsisimula. First question pa lang, you invoke bank secrecy. We're just asking if what LGU na may transaction with that bank, you invoke bank secrecy? No, hindi natin pinag-usapan dito yung pondo. We're just asking about the list of all LGUs sa land bank. Ito, this will be may problema kayo dito. Ako, believe you me, kahit saan tayo pumunta. We're just asking you to comply with all LGUs na may banks, transaction with your banks. That covers in the BARM.
You can pass it to me.
Attorney, hindi nyo maibigay? Anong problema doon? Sige nga, are we talking... Attorney, please cite in the specific provision of the bank secrecy law that we are not allowed. Sige nga, are we asking for a bank account? No. Are we asking for bank transaction? No. We are just asking for the list. Now, aabot tayo dito sa chairman nyo. Baka mapahiya kayo, papatawag ko yung chairman nyo dito. Next hearing.
Mr. Chair,
Please proceed, Chairman Akop.
do they have a lawyer with them?
Ay, legal nila.
May I know what law are you talking about?
Mr. Chair, so the law we are referencing is Section 2 of Republic Act 1405, otherwise known as the Bank Secrecy Law.
It refers to deposits, tama?
Yes po.
Eh kung ilistahan lang naman ng bangko na merong bank transactions yung mga LCEs, is that part of the deposit?
It is, Your Honor.
It is with the ambit of Section 2 of 1405?
Yes, Your Honor. Because the provision of such a list, Your Honor, would imply the existence of an account. And that is covered by the Bank Secrecy Law.
Attorney, when I asked you, meron bang account si Governor Adjong sa isang bank ninyo doon sa Bangsamoro, is that covered by Section 2
Yes.
of 1405?
Yes, Your Honor.
Whether I have a bank account or not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that your interpretation?
It's not our interpretation.
Whose interpretation is that?
It is the position of the Office of the Government Corporate Counsel that advised us that even the mere existence of a bank to confirm that there is the mere existence of a deposit account with a branch is already invoking the absolute confidentiality of the Bank Secrecy Law, Your Honor. But the exception, of course, is if the good governor would give his written permission.
We know that.
Yes,
We know that. Sa dami ng investigasyon namin dito na ginagawa, alam na namin yun eh. Pero it refers only whether we asked information regarding their deposits. Kasi that is the title of 1405. Di ba? Tama. Pero kung humihingi po kami ng listahan ng mga land bank as asked by the Honorable Flores, is that within the ambit of Section 2 of Republic Act 1405?
Yes, Your Honor. As much as the bank and its representatives would want to cooperate, again, we are constrained by the limitations provided for in the absolute confidentiality of bank deposits.
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Ganito na lang po. Attorney, okay lang yun sa ngayon. Okay. if the members of this committee will join me, we will invite the... You mentioned about who from the Office of the Government Corporate... Sino pa, attorney? Sino nga?
You're asking for the particular lawyer.
Yeah, and
issued that opinion.
Official position nila. Baka mamaya magtuturuan kayo dito.
Sige po.
Sino po?
With permission, I will...
Hindi, sino po muna?
With,
Do you have the document?
with permission, I will refer to my files and respond in after I...
Pinag-usapan natin ito, hindi deposit ha. We're just asking for the list of banks. Baka mamaya, ang laman ng opinion ang opinion nila is bank deposits. Attorney, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please submit to this committee, not later than today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pati yung sinasabi mong yung opinion nila, kasi gusto ko rin tingnan kahit hindi ako abogado, titingnan ko yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, what I actually moved for was just for the list of banks, Mr. Chair, where LGUs have accounts with, because there are several land bank branches in certain municipalities. Now, it does not take a genius, Your Honor, to know that LGUs deal with land banks. That's why we know for a fact that there are accounts in land bank. But when we ask for specific transactions, then maybe that is a time where the provisions of the bank secrecy law would apply. But my question was really, what are to provide the list of branches where LGUs have specific accounts. But anyway, if the good lawyer of the bank would provide us with the opinion of the OGCC, then we would gladly consider it, Mr. Chair.
No, Mr. Chairman, Vice Chair, I still stand that we will invite OGCC on the next hearing. At the same time, the good attorney should produce that document.
I submit, Mr.
With
Chair.
regards to the co-opposition. Kasi, attorney, nagdo ka sa Silay hearing, sa province ko yun. And this is your second time. Alam mo, ang dami ko ng hearing dito. And I talked to you on the side before this hearing starts. Now, the only thing na nagka-problema sa kami sa Cagayan is because the opinion of the OGCC is that dapat may waiver yung governor at saka yung vice governor. Ang problema, okay, yung vice governor, hindi papayag ang governor. But, ayun, bubuksan yung bank deposits. Now, ang pinag-usapan natin dito, yung not the bank deposits. We're just asking you to comply with the submission of banks in which local government units in the BARM has a bank account. We're not talking here about the specific detail of such accounts. Kaya pakisabit na lang po, pati yung sinasabi mong opinion ng OGCC. Attorney, before you proceed, nakalimutan ko lang po, I have manifested this and I would like to put in on record once again, and with the, if the members of this committee will join me, for the COMSEC to write an official letter to the chairman of the Land Bank with regards to the query or the request being made by Congressman Flores, if indeed, tama pong sinasabi ni attorney dito. Attorney, you're under oath, ha? Then submit to this committee yung sinasabi kong dokumento. At the same time, I will ask your president, first, second hearing natin, akala ko isang hearing lang to pero pag ganito tayo dito, baka paulit-ulit tayo dito. Now, I will ask your president, I will not invite him, but I might invite him at the third hearing. I will just ask him with regards to your opinion. See, COMSEC is directed to write a letter to the chairman of the Land Bank with regards to opinion being made and given by the legal department in the person of Mr. Christopher. COMSEC.